Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will learn some more important program that is like to perform right rotation of a given array. So this is the program for this, and this is like it consists of four parts, like four steps. So first array input, the program first take the size of an array and the array elements as input. So then rotation input, it also takes the number of rotations here. This is the for this is the rotation logic, and here here this is the logic for this rotation. So first a temporary array is used to store the last d elements here, and then the remaining elements are shifted to the right by d positions, and then the elements from the temporary array are then copied to the beginning, and finally the output. So these are the steps here. So we'll see the line by line explanation for this. So here import java.util.scanner here, and this line import the scanner class which is used to read input from the user. Public class right rotation here. So this is the beginning of the right rotation class which contains the logic for the performing right operation. And here public static void main of string array args. This is the main method, and this main method is the entry point of the program. This is where the execution begins. So here scanner, and scanner equal to new scanner of system.in. So scanner equal to new scanner of system.in. So creates a scanner object named scanner to read user input from the console. And here system.out.println enter the size of an array. So here it prints a prompt message asking the user and to enter the size of the array. And here int n equal to scanner.nextInt of. So it reads the integer input from the user, that is the size of the array, and stores it in the variable n. And here int array equal to new int of n here. So it creates an integer array that named with arr and size n based on the input from the user. So here system.out.println of enter the elements of the array. Here we are creates an integer, like here we are creating an integer array, right? In that array, for that array we are entering the elements of the array here. So printing a prompt asking the user to enter the elements of the array, prompt message. So here we are using the first for loop, and this for loop runs from I equal to 0 and I less than n minus 1. So here n minus 1, and in each iteration here, so in each iteration it reads an integer input from the user and assign it to the ith position of the array arr here. And here arr of I equal to scanner.nextInt of. So in this also, like it reads an integer and input from the user and assign it to the ith position of the array of arr here. And here system.out.println enter the number of rotations here. So here it prompts the, like prompt asking the user to enter the number of rotations, that is d, to be performed on the array. So int d equal to scanner.nextInt of. So it reads an integer input from the user, that is the number of rotations d, and stores it in the variable d. That's why we are here using the variable d here, name as d. And here d equal to d modulo n. So it handle cases where d is larger than n here. So for this line ensures that the number of rotations d is within the bounds of the array size. So if d is greater than the size of the array, that is n, so it uses the modulo operation. That's why we are here we are using d modulo n to reduce d to value a between 0 to n minus 1. So this prevents unnecessary full rotations here. Here int array temp equal to new int of d here. So it creates a temporary array like temp that will store the last d elements of the original array here. And here for loop here. So this for loop stores the last d elements of the original array ARR into the temp array here. So the loop runs from I equal to 0 to I less than d, that is I equal to 0 to I equal to d minus 1 here, and the index n minus d plus 1. So this one, so the index n minus d plus I access the element starting from n minus dth index to the last element of the array. That's why here we are writing like temp I equal to arr of n minus d plus I here. So it acts as the element starting from the nth n minus dth index of the last element of the array, right? So here this is the step 2, and so this step 2 here, like I int I equal to n minus 1, I greater than or equal to d, and I minus 1, I minus minus. So here arr of I equal to arr of I minus d here. So in this for loop, the for loop shift the elements of the array from index 0 to n minus d minus 1 uh, to the right by d positions. It starts from the end of the array, that is I equal to n minus 1, and goes backward, shifting each element to the right by d positions, that is arr of I equal to arr of I minus d. So here this is the one more for loop here. So in this for loop, for I int I equal to 0, I less than d, I plus plus, arr of I equal to temp of I here. So this for loop copies the d element stored in the temp array to the beginning of the array arr. So it places the last d elements which were saved in temp in the first d positions of the original array, and finally it prints a it system.out.println of array after right rotation here. So it prints a message to indicate that the array after rotation will be displayed here. Here we are using another for one more for loop, that is for printing the elements purpose. So this for loop prints each element of the rotated array separated by a space here. So here scanner dot close off. So close the scanner object to free up resources after input is taken from the user. And this is like exit, and this is the program for this right rotation. And yeah, this looks like a very complex problem, but it is a very basic logic. So yeah, so I will give you a brief explanation for this. So if the first step is like the arrays, for example, if we enter 1 2 3 4 5 randomly numbers, and the numbers of rotation d is if we enter 2, the last two elements 4 5 are saved in the temporary array, that is like 4 comma 5. So 4 and 5 elements, the remaining elements 1 to 3 are shifted to the right by positions, right by two positions. The array becomes like 1 2 3 1 2 like that. So and the step 4 is like the elements from temp of 4 5 are copied to the first two position, resulting in the rotated array, that is 4 5 1 2 3. So yeah, like that. So we'll save the program and we'll run the program and see what the output is. So enter the size of an array. For example, if I enter 5, so enter the elements here: 5 6 7 4 2 and 1. So if I hit the enter, the number of rotations. So I want only two rotations. So if I hit enter, so the right rotation is like 2 1 5 4 7. So yeah, like this. I hope you like. I hope you like this. And yeah, please share, like, and subscribe and comment.